Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at Ace Vacuums, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs and all of your Miele needs. As you guys are aware, we are a Miele dealer and service center and warranty center. We handle all the Miele stuff as far as sales, service, and repairs. Today, I'm going to do a little quick video. I get a lot of customers that come into the store that say, hey man, I've been looking at a Miele. There's just so much online. I don't know what this is or what this does. So I'm just going to give you guys a little brief breakdown between the difference between like a Classic C1 Homecare and a pet, like a cat and dog, versus like a C3 Homecare, a C3 cat and dog, all the other ones. But today I'm going to look mostly at the Homecares, just to really the differences between the Classic C1 and the Complete C3 series. So for those of you who don't know, Homecare is just as simple as this. Homecare, Miele used to sell, so you could only buy Mieles from dealers. A couple years ago, you could only buy them from a dealer like us. Then they went on and went to sell on Amazon and other box office stores. But what they did do is leave a specific brand, which is the Homecare line. Now, that Homecare line, you can get it in a compact C1, you can get it in a Classic C1, you can get it in a Complete C3, you can get it in the Blizzards. Basically what it is you get a very long warranty. So you get a 5-year warranty on parts, labor, motor, and casing, all on all the Homecares. In addition to that, with all of them, you will also get an extended crevice tool, which you can buy separately, or it will come with this that's flexible and bends. And then you're also going to get a larger dusting brush that comes with all the Homecares, all the Homecare lines, which is nice because you can angle this tool, you can maneuver it, so it's great for ceiling fans, air vents, baseboards. There's a lot of applications you can use with both of these tools. This one in particular is great for dryer vents, so that's going to come with the Homecare line, right? Along with the 5-year warranty, which is two very good beneficial parts to buying a Homecare. So the difference is really quick between the C1 and the C3. So on the C3 has a rubber bumper guard that goes all around the body of the machine. On the Classic C1 series, it does not. On the C3 series, if you pop this button open, you'll notice all your tools are stored right here on the inside of the unit, to where the Classic C1 series, there's a bracket that's mounted here. You can choose not to have this bracket here and keep your tools separately, or you can have your tools stored directly on there. The cord length on this one is 18 foot. On this one, it's 26 foot. This is all one-touch retractable, meaning so when you pull this cord out, you just hit the button once, the cord retracts in. To where when you pull this one out and you hold the button, you have to hold the button for it to retract in. This has a turn knob for your suction control from low suction all the way to high suction, to where this one is all toe touch, and there's a digital screen here. The bag compartment is a little bit bigger on this one. It's still going to fill up about the same, I believe, but I think this one is just a little bit bigger, so you might get a little bit more dirt in there. Now you're all going to get, they're all going to come, both Homecares will come with electric hose, your electric wand, and then it will come with a 236 power head, or sorry, 228 power head. With the C3 series, though, you have an option to upgrade this to a 236 power head, which does have the LED light, which is nice, and it's a little bit more. The price difference on these, this one is $10.49, this one is $13.49. If you do upgrade and get the 236 power head, it's $14.99. Now we do accept trade-ins on old vacuums, so if you have an old Miele and you're looking to upgrade it, or just a vacuum in general that you're trying to get rid of and you really want to get a Miele, bring it into us. We'll look it over and see what the approximate value we can give you on a trade-in towards your brand new Miele. If you have any questions about the C1 or the C3 series, please give us a call. These are very good units. They're a very respectable company, and they're amazing vacuums, ranked #1 in consumer reports on a lot of different things. So if you have any questions, call us here at 703-997-9292, or like us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and we can stay up to date with everything we got going on. For questions, let us know, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.